Hi, this is a video on reviewing your Salesforce Marketing Cloud mobile and installed package options. Mobile is really cool with Salesforce Marketing Cloud. Let me go through this here with you. First off, in Salesforce Marketing Cloud, you go to Setup. I've talked about this before. You can see Setup Assistant, Users, right? You go down here, Management, FTP accounts, SFFTP, where AWS, you can pull data through files, right, for your automations, file locations where they are, key management, perimeter management, apps, Salesforce, all that, right, feature settings, and further down. But this is your basic dashboard, right? You can see the data extensions, 413, content down here, 2051. Users, 28 users on this marketing cloud, meaning not customers, but users, right? How many automations in the last 7 days? 342. Most of them completed. Anyways, let's go do this. So here we get the setup, we get a little bit more towards the metrics, and here we get to all the installed packages. Remember, I said install package and mobile. And here we've got the install packages where Amplitude versus API example, Bennett package, which is a custom API, deployment manager, right? Import and export marketing cloud campaign configurations, different lead capture Hyperforce, Litmus, North America, Qualtrics, Query Studio, S3 testing, and Snowflake link, right, into the Snowflake company. Here is an install package, Tony's app. You can do that right here. You can make your own install package, right? And here what it shows you, it's a custom app, it's in development. What's the source account, right? That means what business unit, what's the package ID, and here, what's the signing secret, blah, 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 right? And here, for instance, just like I had in the other video, how do you do a custom API? Here's an example. You can literally choose your component type, meaning between your install package, what is it? Is it a marketing cloud app? Is it a journey builder activity? Is it a custom content? Or is this just an integration between marketing cloud and your app, which could be your mobile app? All right, here, for instance, is add a component, Tony's app package. This here is Qualtrics. You see that? So sjc1.qualtrics.com, triggers, it's a triggering app. And here is the overview of all the MobilePush. This is in Mobile Studio, right? And up here is the MobilePush overview, sends, location, and administration. Here we can see 40,054 messages were delivered, of which 1,345 were opened. That means clicked through. Over here in the contacts, 23,000 contacts have an opt-in, and the growth is 3.8%. This is basic, just go through Mobile Studio and do MobilePush and connect, right? Like here, we're still very much in the testing stage here. This was the Android settings. There's iPhone settings. How many total messages were sent? And this, for instance, is the administration of MobilePush. And, rich media, headers, what kind of stuff? Is it geo-fenced, right? So if somebody comes within a fence, and I need to make this a little quicker within the 5 minutes. And here's all the other details in Contact Builder. You can see this bounced growth, key message. Thank you for listening. Have a great day. So 2 tools.